Learn Catalan fast. How much does cost?
Quant costa?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll nail the Catalan price question.
Quant costa?
The magic key to unlock any price tag. Ready to charm markets and save your wallet? Let's go. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently ask for prices and react like a pro. Your target phrase is
Quant costa?
which means, how much does cost? You'll also meet helpful buddies.
Preu,
Price,
barat,
cheap,
ca,
expensive,
descompte,
discount,
tiquet.
receipt, and the pointed version.
Quant costa això?
How much is this? Mini dialogue at the market. Picture yourself at a colorful stall, fresh fruit, shiny souvenirs, and you, bargain hero. You, hi.
Quant costa?
Quote. Seller, 10 euros. You, pointing.
Quant costa això?
Seller, this one, 12. You, alternative.
Quant val?
Seller, same price. You, smiling, thanks. Could I get a receipt?
Un tiquet, si us plau.
Forms and patterns. Steal these quick patterns and plug in anything you want to buy. Pointing at an item.
Quant costa això?
Equals how much is this? Adding the item.
Quant costa el barret?
Equals how much does the hat cost? Talking about price.
Quin és el preu?
Equals what is the price? Cheap versus expensive.
És barat.
Versus.
És car.
Polite discount check.
Hi ha descompte.
Equals is there a discount? Rhythm drill and rhyme. Clap or tap along. Make the phrase stick with a beat. Beat. TSK boom TS, say.
Quant costa?
Rhyme. If the price you must accost a, ask with flair.
Quant costa?
Quote. Gesture trick. Raise your palm and draw a tiny question mark in the air as you say.
Quant costa?
Culture tip. La Boqueria savvy. At Barcelona's La Boqueria, smile, point, and ask clearly. Start with the magic key.
Quant costa?
Or.
Quant costa això?
React politely.
És car.
Is it expensive? Slash.
És barat.
It's cheap. Try this.
Hi ha descompte.
Is there a discount? After paying.
Un tiquet, si us plau.
A receipt, please. Pro tip and pun. Don't confuse.
La costa.
The coast, with.
Costa.
Costs, unless you're buying a beach. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask the price in Catalan? A.
Quant costa?
Q2. You point at a magnet. What do you say? A.
Quant costa això?
Q3. Which word means price? A.
Preu.
Q4. Ask for a discount politely. A.
Hi ha descompte.
Q5. Say, it's expensive in Catalan. A.
És car.
Comedy break. Mini sketch to lock it in. Your wallet, dramatic whisper, I only open for the secret phrase. You, heroically.
Quant costa?
Wallet, access granted, also.
Hi ha descompte.
Would be nice. Your 20-second challenge. Ready for real-life speed? Go. Name 3 items around you and ask.
Quant costa?
Each time. Point at one and say.
Quant costa això?
Then react.
És barat.
Or.
És car.
Finish with.
Un tiquet, si us plau.
Nailed it. Wrap up and thanks. You did great, market legend unlocked. Today you mastered.
Quant costa?
Plus.
Quant costa això? Preu. Barat. Descompte.
And.
Tiquet.
Thanks for listening, keep practicing daily, and remember, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and downloads. Fins Aviat, see you soon.